I'm not like, okay, how can I get my hair grow? This is a hack for me to just have my hair growing. Because I also had skin concerns in the past, I followed a diet of elimination that allowed me to observe many things about what was improving and what was harming my body. Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Let's talk about hair growth, because on Instagram I'm still getting a lot of questions about how I grow my hair, what type of products I use, how do I get my hair this big, how is my hair this thick, and on and on and on. So I thought I already shared this on my Instagram stories, but let me come on YouTube, because some of you don't follow me on Instagram. If you don't, then go follow me now. But if you happen to miss the story where I was talking about how my hair is able to grow this quickly, I wanted to explain to you that first of all, I focus on the health of my hair and the health of my entire body. Enter flaxseed. The first time I heard about flaxseed was from Natural 85. It was 3 years ago. I was starting my natural hair journey and I was transitioning, and I was looking for a hair gel that was going to hydrate my hair. Sometimes if I don't make the gel really well, then I still get a white residue, but I was looking for a product that would hydrate my hair without leaving it feeling dry and stringy. And then I went to the doctor, and this was related to my skin concerns, and I started using flaxseed powder as a flour alternative. So I was making flaxseed bread, and I was making flaxseed muffins and flaxseed pancakes, because I wanted something that was gluten-free but also something that wasn't a grain, because flaxseed technically is a seed. And here is the big benefit of flaxseed: omega-3. Omega-3 is really great for helping your hair grow, because it's going to ensure that your hair doesn't break off and that you maintain the length. Then I discovered flaxseed oil, which I now drizzle over my salad. Sometimes I cook with it. It's not really a cooking oil. And I also use flax seeds, obviously, for my gel. Oh, and I also have a video on how to make your own flaxseed gel. It only takes 3 ingredients. It's got the oil, the water, and obviously the flax seeds. And what I do is I just pop it into a pot, heat it up until it boils, and then I strain the flax seeds, and then I seal the gel with an oil, any type of oil you want to use. I would obviously use a non-comedogenic oil, something that's not going to block your hair follicles, something like a flaxseed oil, avocado oil, olive oil. No coconut oil, please. I'm going to add the link to the video below, and if you have any other questions, feel free to drop me a comment in the section below, or you can just DM me on Instagram. If you want your hair to grow, and I said this on Instagram as well, if you want your hair to grow, it's going to sound cliche, but you have to focus on the health of your hair rather than wanting your hair to be a certain length, because it's no use having your hair really long and then it looks dry and dull. So ensure that you have enough, that you have optimum omega-3 in your body, that you're either taking a multivitamin, or like me, that you're supplementing with plant-based ingredients, natural flaxseed like I am, and incorporate it into your diet slowly. You don't have to go all in and use all the flaxseed ingredients at the same time. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, because that lets me know that this is the type of videos you enjoy seeing and that I should be creating more. And subscribe to my channel so that you're notified the minute I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.